Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings, open Safari now and follow with focused intent. First, find the search section and identify the toggle for Safari suggestions. Once you see it, disable Safari suggestions to stop server-side predictions. This removes suggested results under the address bar. Make sure to also note the quick website search and preload top hit options nearby because they affect what appears. If you use iCloud Safari, understand disabling here will change suggestions across devices when signed into the same app. Once done with the main suggestion toggle, move to search and privacy settings for deeper control. Turn off search engine suggestions to stop remote engine hints and disable quick website search so saved site results stop popping up. Next, switch off preload top hit. This prevents Safari from preloading the highest ranked result. Finally, clear history and website data to remove cached suggestions. This erases local traces and makes the changes effective immediately rather than waiting for caches to finish. Close Safari and perform a quick restart of the app or the device to ensure all settings take effect. If suggestions persist, check other devices using the same iCloud account because Safari Sync can reintroduce settings, sign out, or change settings on those devices. As a troubleshooting tip, if disabling toggles doesn't work, sign out of iCloud Safari temporarily, then clear history and website data again before signing back in. This forces a fresh sync without the old suggestion settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.